how do you decide which targeting strategy to use in Amazon PPC? Now, when it comes down to targeting, there are several ways of targeting. Some of our strategies here at Scaleway is we have these 5 strategies called Protect, Conquer, Rank, Dominate, and then Discover. And by these 5 strategies, what we're doing, we are strategically creating campaigns for one purpose. For the Protect, we would be creating campaigns to protect our own listing and our own branded keywords. Conquer, we would create those campaigns to generate sales from our competitors' listings, especially the listings that are not well optimized, or especially the listings that have poorer reviews than us or less amount of reviews. And the Rank is going to be your typical exact match campaigns, where everyone is talking about ranking campaigns, right? So these are the campaigns that you would add the exact keyword match, and then that is the one that would generate sales. Dominate, it is more on the placement modification side. So if you see that you have one specific placement that it's working really well for you, then you would increase the placement for that one. And then a 5th one is going to be Discover. Here, everything that is not exact match. So it can be manual broad, manual phrase, it can be auto-targeting, it can be category targeting, everything that is not exact. Again, those are the ones that will be going there. And how would you decide on which targeting strategy to use? It's simply just step back and look through, okay, what did I wanted to achieve with my campaign? And then based on that, you would deploy any of these strategies, or start with one or start with all 5 of them, depending on your budget.